It's Battlebox time again, mission 49. I'm really excited to show you this. We're going to do this video a little bit differently than I've done in any of the battle boxes before. I'll explain that to you, tell you why, and show you why I think this is such a cool box. Coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. So as I said, it's Battlebox time, mission 49. I really think you're going to like this one. It is, as you can tell, I'm a little excited about this. Actually, I'm really excited about it. And we're going to do this a little bit differently. But before we get started, here's a quick word from our sponsor. This video is sponsored by my friends at Click Belt. The Click Belt I'm wearing today is my 2-ply tactical duty belt. And I've been wearing this for a couple of years. As you can see, it still looks very nice and supports my Glock 19 very well. Click belts are available in a wide range of colors and styles, including custom options, all sewn right here in the USA, featuring genuine Austrian Cobra buckles and a full lifetime warranty. So I encourage you to check out our friends at Click Belt. There'll be a link in the description below and probably one right up here. Tell them Brian said hello. Okay, we're back. So as I said, Battlebox. As you can tell, I'm a little excited. This is mission 49. But before we get started, I'm gonna control my excitement. First of all, I've been asked to speak a little slower. Everybody says I sound like I'm drinking too much coffee, so I'm gonna try to enunciate more clearly and be a little calmer. You know, real quick timeout, side ramble, and then no more rambling. Okay. I took a look at one of my earlier videos, and by the way, I had a pretty big beard on that one. I'm trying again. It kind of inspired me to go again. This one's a little whiter, but we're going to let it go. So hopefully I won't look like I should be living under a bridge. But anyway, in the past, what I've done with Battlebox is I went out on the old internet and I found the prices, what you could buy the stuff in the box for. We can compare them and see what kind of value they're offering, because one of the advantages or at least the pros of Battlebox has always been that you get a discounted price on the stuff that's in there, and I think that's still the case. But more and more lately, they've been putting their own branded stuff in there because I guess so they can just source and get a better deal. And it's really hard to compare that. So we're just going to abandon that process for this video. We're just going to show you what's in there, tell you what the boxes cost, and you can decide, as always, whether you think it's a good deal for you. That's my purpose for doing these reviews, so you can kind of build a history of what's in there. You can look back at the other reviews and see, you know, every time what's been in there, and if you think overall it's a value for you, because any of these subscription boxes, I'm talking pretty fast again, aren't I? Because any of these subscription boxes, it's kind of like a mystery box, so you kind of got to determine whether or not you think it's going to be worth your money. So without any more rambling and trying not to talk too fast, we take it down to the old tabletop, because we're going to spread this one out. It's a little bigger than the stump top, there's a hint, and we'll show you what's in mission 49 Battlebox. I think you're going to like this one. I know I do already. I'm just going to go ahead and cut to the chase, tell you I like it. So let's get to it. All right, so here's Battlebox mission 49. Let's crack it open and see what's in there. All right, so my notes here. First of all, every Battlebox comes with a sit rep card that tells you what's in there at every level. Basically, there are 4 subscription levels. You've got the basic level, which is $29.99 a month, the advanced, which is $59.99 a month, the pro at $99.99, and the pro plus or Knife of the Month club at $149.99. Each level, you get everything in the preceding level plus some more stuff. So without any more ado, let's get to it. And like I said, this is going to be a little different video, a different process. Instead of comparing prices with what I could find, because some of the stuff is Battlebox branded, we're just going to do a little more detailed. I'm going to show you a little bit more detail of what's in it instead of just giving you a quick glimpse. We're going to try to bust some of this stuff open and take a look at it. So let's get to it. The first item in the basic box this month is the Be Smart, Get Prepared first aid kit. And I'm just going to open this thing up, show you what all's in here. It comes in a nice quilted little package. It's a nice little orange interior, which I like. A little divided pocket in here. It's got some band-aids and all sorts of first aid stuff in there. It's got some burn cream and sunscreen lotion and antibiotic ointment and poison oak and ivy cleanser. Oh man, I could have used some of that a few weeks ago. Nice little zippered pocket there. On this side over here, we've got some more stuff, antiseptic wipes and, you know, just basic first aid stuff. This is not a trauma kit, okay? It's an ice pack and a little survival blanket and some gloves and pads. Just a basic family you know, kind of a all-around general first aid kit, which is pretty cool. And they're giving us a $24.99 value. So there's that. We'll put that down here. The next item in the basic kit this month is really cool. It's some Zippo Typhoon Match Kit, and we'll take a look at that. I'm going to go ahead and bust this thing open so we can see how well it actually works. Because these are like some major Mac Daddy, huge gigantic matches. They look like, you know, stormproof style matches. Comes in this big waterproof match storage box with a couple of extra strikers, because I don't think these will strike anywhere. So let's just try one of these and see how it works. First, just let them see if they'll all fit in here. Leave one of them out, and then they all fit in there. It's a rubberized cap on that end. There's the striker. Okay, here we go. Let's try it. Oh yeah, I'm blowing on it. So pretty cool there. Definitely works. Definitely works. So I mean, that's pretty cool. Put that out. Put it out. Put it back there somewhere where hopefully it don't catch the yard on fire. So that's the Zippo Typhoon matches, which I gotta say are pretty stinking cool. The next item on the basic list, basic box this month, I think it's pretty cool. It's a leather Lord and Field, which is a Battlbox brand notebook, but it's really top grain leather. It's got some slots here you can put cards in, business cards or whatever. Some more slots over here you can put cards and index cards. Two pockets on either side, and it comes with a little notepad, but you can refill this with whatever. But it's just top grain leather, pretty nice. Good way to keep your notes and cards and whatever organized. And by the way, this box, the mission is called Back to Basics, so pretty cool there for taking notes in the field or whatever. And then finally, in the basic box this month, they're giving some organic roasted pumpkin seeds, Texas sweet barbecue. So we're probably going to try these, and I'll just go ahead and try them and see how they taste. Okay, I'm not a big pumpkin seed fan, but I'm doing this for you. Okay. So not a fan, not a barbecue fan either, really, but okay. Anyway, so that's everything in the basic. By the way, the retail on the first aid kit is 25 bucks, $24.99. The Typhoon Match Kit $11.95. The trail nose, they're giving us $27.99. So 28 bucks, but it is leather. And then the roasted peanut seeds, $2.39. That brings the total value for the basic box to $67.32 for $29.99 plus shipping, so about double what you pay. So that's the basic. The next subscription level is the advanced. And in the advanced, you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is another Battlbox branded item, and they're calling this the Bubby. It's like a whoopee, but it has supposedly has a zipper on it. So we're going to open this thing up and just see. If you're not familiar with what a whoopee is, it's like a military poncho liner. It's a nylon, kind of a blanket thingy. And then, so what this is, it's woodland camo, and it's just like a whoopee, but it's got a zipper, so you can use this for a kind of a lightweight sleeping bag too. It's just a real lightweight nylon quilted kind of a blanket, so it spreads out, be pretty big. And again, pretty cool that it's got the zipper on it, so you can zip it up and use it for a like a sleeping bag. And they're giving this a $39.99 value, which brings the total value for the advanced kit to $107.31, and the cost again is $59.99. The next level is the pro level, and here's where the going gets good, in my opinion. This is where I'm really excited about. Oops, don't spill those. Is in the pro level, you get everything in the two previous levels plus some more stuff. This month, the more stuff is stinking really cool. It is a Rascal Survive 55 takedown bow. Now let me show you. It comes in this pack right here. You got a bowstring in here. You've got your Here's your handle kit, and we're just going to pull all this out of here. Let's see. It comes with 3 2-piece arrows, right? Then you got your handle, your bow handle here, and then your risers. They just slide in here like so. Go into there. You got one for each ones. Then your bowstring. You just fit your bowstring on one end here. It's got a little plastic end on it. Let's get it unconnected, disconnected here. We don't want to screw it up. And then the other end, make sure these risers are seated good. Put it on the ground, and I just do the step through. That's what I do. And then bend it over. Make sure it's seated well. Bend it over and connect it up here. And what you got is a 55-pound bow. And you know we got to shoot this thing, right? And I don't usually test out the Battlebox stuff, but we're not gonna do a full review of this, but you know I got to shoot it because, I mean, good grief, if I didn't shoot it, you'd probably think I was some kind of sissies. Okay, well that was pretty fun. So the value they're assigned to this bow is $79.99, which brings the total stated value for the Pro level kit to $187.30. Again, that's $99.99 plus shipping. And then the final level, subscription level for Battlebox, is the Pro Plus or Knife of the Month Club. And in that level, you get everything in the previous levels plus a knife or a tool or something. This month, that knife is a Bastion gear, and it is a Baron first release. It's a Sanmai Damascus steel carbon fiber with a solid brass bolster, and it's got a tip up carry. It's not a flip or anything, but it's once you get it open like that, you can flip it open pretty easy. And again, it's got the carbon fiber with a solid brass bolster and a Sanmai type Damascus steel. It looks really, really cool, really nice, and it's very sharp. Feels good. Nice looking knife. They're giving this $119.99 value, which brings the total stated value for the Pro Plus to $307.29, again at a cost of $149.99. So that's everything at every level of the Battlebox Mission 49. Okay, well that was a hopefully not too rambling look at Battlebox Mission 49, the Back to Basics box. And sorry, I got little pumpkin seed pieces all in my mouth. It's driving me batty. But as I said, I think this was probably my favorite box. Now that being said, that's because of the bow, and you got to spend $100. You would have to spend $100 to get that one, but the bow itself is $80. So anyway, I think that's pretty cool. But as always, my goal in making these videos is just so that you can take a look at them and maybe look at the history of them and see overall whether you think it would have been a good, you know, it's going to be worth your money long run, because again, you don't really know what's in any of these subscription boxes until you pay for them, and because that's kind of like the surprise of it. That's the way they do it. So hopefully you can look back at all the videos and say, okay, well, over a period of time, you know, most of the boxes seem like they would have been something that I would have needed and would have liked and would have been a good value. Or you can look at them and say, you know, that's not for me. And if you do think Battlebox might be a good fit for you, you can save 10% by using the coupon code in the description below. Either way, I hope this has been helpful. Again, thanks to the folks at Battlebox for sending me these boxes for the past 3 or 4 years so I can show them to you every month. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and Saturday, and very often random videos throughout the week. There's another one right up there. If you're not subscribed, you can click right down there in the corner and click that little subscribe button and that little notification bell so you don't miss a single video. I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time.